Hey IB, I am here to talk to you about Kite Runner chapters 5 through 10, your 5 through 10 assignment. And what we're going to do for 5 through 10 is you are going to pick a significant passage for each of the chapters. And so what I did, I'm going to move my face over here, I guess. Maybe move this a little bit this way. Maybe move me over here. I don't know. Okay. So what I did is I just put a sample in here. So I already have the chapters in here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you are going to tell me what passage you selected. So tell me what topic it is and what the page number is. So I chose an example from chapter 4, the letter from Rahim to Amir, on pages 32 through 34. Make sure that you are specific with your topic, so I know exactly what scene you are referencing. So letter from Rahim to Amir, that was specific enough. And then explanation of why this passage was chosen as significant. Amir has been rejected by his father, and Rahim's letter gives him confidence as a writer. It also helps to enforce a bond or friendship between Amir and Hassan, because Amir has to read him the letter. Hassan and Rahim give Amir the unconditional praise that Amir desperately wants from his father. This is significant to the novel as a whole because the reader sees Amir's lack of confidence when it comes to his father, supporting a negative father-son relationship. So notice I didn't use the word I referred to the reader. I didn't summarize the passage. You have to know that I've read the book, so I don't need you to summarize it for me. I didn't use I think, I believe, it could, it might, I didn't use any of those cop-out filler words, right? And then possible themes, I put a theme of friendship because you have Rahim and Amir, and then that father-son relationship, because the relationship between Amir and Rahim also shows their positive relationship, also shows the negative relationship of Amir's father-son relationship. So it does it that way. So then you need to do that for chapters 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you have a week to get that done. We will set up just like last time, we'll do an optional meeting for a discussion. Now I'm recording this on September 24th, and right now we're not hybrid yet. So I'm saying on this video that we're gonna do an optional meeting on October 12th at 12 o'clock to talk about chapters 5 through 10. But again, if we are hybrid at this time, the 12 o'clock will have to be a different time. It'll be whatever 5th hour becomes. And again, on September 24th, I don't know what 5th hour will be. So as always, let me know if you have any questions.